Let me emphasize again to make you understand why the term productivity is so important for the construction management team. You may be at supervisor level, site engineer level, or construction manager level. What's the most common question by your superiors during your day-to-day interaction? Even during weekly, fortnightly, or monthly progress review meetings, almost the same questions keep coming to you. First, what are the resources required to accomplish the task given, in what quantity? And second, for how long do you need each one of these resources? What's your response on these? Are you speculating the requirement? Were you accurate in such responses? Can you do something about it to improve your level of accuracy? How and what can help you in improving? Let me explain a way to improve the accuracy of your response drastically. If you know the quantum of work for each activity, type of resources required for the activity, and the productivity of each of these resources, it is going to be simple numerical problem to be solved. Yes, of course there are some other important factors like climatic condition, congestion of work, location of site, accessibility, etc. But knowing productivity can improve the accuracy of your responses drastically. Understanding productivity and monitoring alone is not enough. You must try and aim for improving the productivity. Why is it so? Understand from the flow chart. Do you know methods to improve? If yes, then are you using these methods? If your answer is still yes, do you have required data for analysis? Yes, great then. Can you show the improvement achieved? That is, to show the previous productivity, say a few years back, and now with an improvement. Yes, amazing. Please continue practicing. Now, if you are practicing but no, you will not be able to show the improvement. Why not? Shall you not advertise your achievement? Yes, let's show the data. It improves our value in the eyes of stakeholders, which are contractors, vendors, clients, customers, and our management. You know the methods and try implementing the same, but do not have data for analysis. Okay, let's start recording data from now onwards. At least you would reach there sometime in future. If no, you do not know these methods for improving the productivity, I will help you in finding out such methods. Our next few slides are going to describe it. Yes, and then you must start using these methods, right? But if your answer is no to all of this, you really should question yourself. Do you want to improve? If your answer is yes, then there is only one way. It might be a hard way, but if you want to improve, you have to take actions to improve. If your answer is still no, you do not want to improve, you should not be in the business. You are going to go spiral down and lose heavily in near future. Why not just leave now itself?